Greek history is both rich and proud. Recently, I had the honor of visiting Chicago's famous Palmer House to celebrate the National Hellenic Museum's annual Ambrosia Ball.
The Greek American community is a big part of American mosaic, if you will.
And I'm happy to be able to support the same as so many others support this effort. It is indeed a significant effort because it's very meaningful to the Greek American community here in Chicago.
Located in the heart of Chicago's Greektown, the museum offers visitors an important window into the history of Greek Americans.
What the National Hellenic Museum does is really present American history.
It is there to promote Hellenism. It is there to retain everything that Greek Americans are all about.
It's a part of my passion, part of my soul that I want to make sure that we continue it, and I'm very excited for the progress that we've made.
Greek heritage is important to all of the museum's contributors. Each one hopes that their efforts will help preserve Greek culture for future generations.
And as they continue on their lives, to have their sons and daughters and their sons and daughters, and continue to be proud of their heritage.
Are you having a great time?
It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Wonderful evening.
Definitely having a great time tonight.
We're looking forward to an evening of dance and having fun.
Aside from all the music and dancing, the Ambrosia Ball was created to raise public awareness for the museum.
Hopefully we encourage your help and we can continue our work.
It's a wonderful institution, and we're looking forward to making sure that everyone in the nation understands and knows about it.
It is something that we have and maintain very dear in our hearts.
It shows. Thank you.